Hello to all traders and welcome back to the market review brought to you by Orbex. So all eyes are on the Jackson Hole Symposium today as Fed Chair Jerome Powell gives his speech and possible clues on when the next rate cut will be and how aggressive it will be. He's expecting not to give too much away because there will be a lot of questions fired at him afterwards about why he delayed so long or why the panel did delay so long, even though the economic data has been quite progressive for the last 6 months at least, especially with the Bank of Canada, the European Central Bank and the Bank of England all beginning to loosen their monetary policy. So all eyes will be on this particular event because obviously their next meeting in a few weeks' time will determine if they will finally begin cutting rates after them being so high for so long. We've had a little bit of a dip on gold, but since then we've bounced back to 2,500, just trading just below that at the moment. We did hit that in the last few hours, but we're just kind of consolidating now. If you look back at yesterday evening's last trading, we did dip by roughly about $30, so we've made that up from the morning. However, we will see how much of a big fluctuation we might get, not only on gold but some forex pairs across the board and commodities as well. So just looking at gold in the near term, we've just had a bit of a failure swing at the moment. As you can see here, we've had high after high and then we've just had a move to the downside now. So will that mean a complete pullback? Our price action now going to start moving a little bit lower? We'll have to wait and see. But as I said, with the Fed Chair Jerome Powell about to give his statement later on today, obviously we'll bring you all the latest headlines on that. But how much of a big move will that mean on gold and on the dollar? And speaking of the dollar, looking on the dollar index, as I said before, very subdued, breaking 101 for the first time if we look back since last year, really. At the end of last year, so an 8-month low at the moment on the index. But as you can see here, just slightly picking up, finding some slight support, but it will have to go quite a long way to get back to the yearly high of just above $106. So looking at about roughly $5 to $6 shift to the upside if we're going to get back to them kind of terms. However, as I said, with Fed Chair Jerome Powell expected to give limited clues about the magnitude and frequency of the reductions. Don't forget, even if they do reduce by 25 basis points at this next meeting, will they do the same again, depending on the jobs reports, unemployment data, and inflation numbers as well. So we'll have to look into that. But as I said, we'll bring you all the latest on our Telegram and YouTube channel. So stick with us, stay ahead, and until next time, have a great weekend, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.